Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test between the Vivo V11 versus the Huawei Nova 3i, and both phones comes with a 4GB RAM, 128GB internal storage, and internal is having a MediaTek Helio P60 on the Vivo V11 and versus the Huawei Kirin 710 processor on the Nova 3i. So let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And both phones come with a 6.3-inch display, and on the back and can see the design language is also very same. It is a square fingerprint scanner shape and it is a circle fingerprint scanner shape, and you can see Vivo V11 is faster and Nova 3i is right behind. And you can see, I have to say, Nova 3i is much beautiful than the Vivo V11, and you can see it is a gradient color on both of these phones. So let's start off by the apps opening. So first we have the phone dialer. Here we go, and you can see Nova is faster. Let's launching the settings on both phones. Here we go, and Vivo V11 is faster. Let's opening the calculator on both phones. Here we go, and it is faster on the Nova 3i. Let's launching some games application. First we have the Subway Surfer. Here we go. MediaTek Helio P60 on the Vivo V11 and versus the Huawei Kirin 710 processor. Let's see, and you can see Huawei Nova is almost faster and not faster. That was about the same on both phones. Very hard to tell who is faster. And you can see the display quality is also very good on both phones. And let's launching the another game application like the Temple Run 2. Here we go. And you can see that Huawei Nova view angle is much brighter than the Vivo V11. And let's see who is faster, and both phones is almost the same, I have to say. Yes, and this is faster on the Vivo V11. Let's launching last game application. We have the Candy Crush. Here we go, and let's see, and you can see Vivo V11 is faster. Let's open the file manager on both phones. Here we go, and that was about the same on both phones. So last opening up the application that is called as the camera. Here we go, and you can see it is faster on the Vivo V11. And you can see guys, I have to say, looking side by side UI both of these phones, and you can see it is same UI. You can swipe to change the modes. It is a AI mode, I have to say, and it is better on the Nova 3i, and it is absent on the V11. And you can see this phone is also record up to full HD at 30 frames per second on the Vivo 11. This is a 60 frames per second. So let's open the internet browser on both phones, and you can see I have launched the Google Chrome on the Nova 3i versus a Vivo internet browser. Let's open the first website. First we have the wikipedia.org. Here we go, and let's see who is faster. And you can see, and the Vivo V11 is faster and Nova 3i is right behind, and you can see it looks very smooth on both phones. Same thing is zooming in and out. Let's launching the another website. Last website is the wwe.com. Here we go, and it is a heavy website, show you the full internet browser speed. And let's see, and you can see Huawei Nova is open the website first, and it is also finished up faster than the Vivo V11, and you can see it looks very smooth on the Nova 3i, no lag whatsoever, and it is almost done. So let's see the RAM management. And 4 GB RAM on both phones. First we have the phone dialer, no refreshing the settings. Accidentally I am opened, and both phones are really good in the RAM management. Subway Surfer, and let's launching the Candy Crush, and you can see both phones is amazing in the RAM management. And I have already opened the Temple Run 2, so it is skip that. Open the file manager on both phones, and no refresh. Last, opening up the internet browser on both phones, and you can see, and no refresh on both phones. Overall, I have to say both phones are really good in the RAM management, and overall I have to say, in my opinion, the Nova 3i is a better option to go for, because it has a dual cameras on the back and dual cameras on the front with support AI features, and both phones comes with a fingerprint scanner, and the battery size is having a same 3300 mAh on both phones. So thank you so much for watching this speed test of the Vivo V11 versus the Huawei Nova 3i. So let me know in the comment section below you want to see some more videos about both of these phones, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.